Testing out my Sony 4K HDR-AX33 camcorder. It's a dash cam. This camera is $799 new at Best Buy, plus $50 tax. It should come out really good. It's sitting on the dash. I don't know if it'll stay there. If I go around the curb, it'll fly off. It's not mounted, it's just sitting. It should come out really good. The windshield's not 100% clean. We're down here in Florida. 96 degrees. I can't wait till October, November when it cools down finally. We're here in Pinellas Park, Florida. 49th Street South. I bet this video turned out real clear. That 4K film's really clear. I need to get something to put the camera on so it can be mounted. I guess we got a red light now.